This is our 03 Escape. Today we're going to fix the back hatch lock. It's stuck open, so let's get to it. See how this goes. Alright, to start with, we're going to take out these little screws here. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. Alright, then this back piece just pulls down. There's a bunch of clips. So if you grab your handle, this just kind of pops down on both sides. Just like so. Then up at the very front, up in here, it'll be held on by that light. Just push it forward, and out it goes. So that's the mechanism we're going to replace. There's some little clips here that need to be undone. They'll just pop open. We'll use a screwdriver just to pop those. Then there's some 10mm nuts over here on this side, 2, and 2 over here also. So I'll pop those open. I'll show you how to do that. And then the rods, they just pop out like so. There's a connector right here, hard to get to there, and that just kind of falls out. That's what runs your little solenoid here. Alright, like I say, there's some 10mm bolts. You got 2 here, and here, let me flip around, it's hard to see. There's some 10mm bolts here, right here, and right here. Then there is a screw right here, if you can see that, right there. That's a Phillips screwdriver there. So let's get those out, and then we'll get this piece out. All right, this connector right here needs to come off. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm just doing the best I can with one hand here. So you get your screwdriver behind it like so, and then just kind of pry it out. Alright, once it's undone, it'll just be hanging there by this little thing here. You just kind of twist it and pop it out. There you have it. I grabbed a few of these from the local pick-apart. This is our original one here. There's this one, which is identical, and this is a little bit of an updated design. If you look at the mechanisms, everything's the same. There's no difference there. Your rods go in the same spot, same with your little clips here. So I am going to put the updated one in. This is out of a 06. This was out of an 02, and our car is an 03. So this one from the 06 is the one that's going to go in there. I have tested it. Actually, these all work. These 2 are having issues inside somewhere with the gears hanging up. This one works the best, so that's the one that's going to go in. Okay, first things first, you got to hang it from that J-hook right here. That attaches to the latch. And then you're going to want to put your 10mm nuts back in. So you got these here, and these 2 over here, right there. I put a couple on there just to hold the latch to start, just so I could show it. Anyway, I'll put those 4 nuts on, and I'll show you the next step. So here's your rod configuration. You got the one here goes into this clip. The one from the bottom of the latch comes across and goes over to here. And the last one comes from by where the glass is and goes to here. These clips, they're kind of hard to push, but they do push in. Just like that. This one's the hardest. That's it. there's the finished product. My little clip right here is broke, so I zip tied that on there so it doesn't go anywhere. And I also fixed the stereo shop's job of putting my backup camera in. This was just hanging there and it was in the way. So next thing is just to put the trim back on and button her up. To get this piece back in, you just basically just pop it in here and here on each side, and then you got your 4 screws that you put in, and that's it. So that's how you replace that mechanism in the back of a 2003 Escape. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.